Recently, I've been working a lot on the birds painting because it was like quite a fascinating for me. I was really feeling so happy to make these bird drawings, bird paintings. So this one I'm currently making the parrot watercolor painting because I also used the acrylic recently working with my parrot painting and different types of birds painting. So it was quite fascinating to try different mediums and all that. So and today I'm gonna show you the time lapse video of me painting the parrot with the watercolors. Now this is the time lapse. The some portion of the video will be quite fast and some portion of the video would be quite slow just in the real time. But this is the way I do it. Like in the very beginning when I was starting with drawing and painting, I used to draw a paint by making the rough sketch with a pencil and then proceeding with the painting and all that. But now I see that working with a rough hand without actually making the rough sketch with the help of the pencil in the beginning really helps me a lot because I can work on my creativity. Because I see that when you are working on your artwork, when you are working on anything related to being a creative, like even if you are working on your music or creative writing or dance drama, whatever it is, if you are actually connecting to it and you are actually focusing on it, then you see that the things actually started working for you. Like now you are not comparing yourself with anyone out there. Now you are just truly focusing on the things that you love doing, the things that you really want to do in your life, the things that kind of like related to your being purpose on this planet. So I tend to stop making the rough sketch of pencil with the pencil in the very beginning to proceed with making any painting or anything like that. I just do it with a free hand. So that is the first step that I really want to say, that being a creative is actually allowing ourselves to flow with the art, to flow with the colors, and then producing the artwork which is coming from our heart, which is coming from inside, rather than just comparing ourselves and just thinking that that artist is amazing, that art is really amazing, he's making beautiful artwork, I can't make it because I suck and my painting skill or my art making skills are really bad, poor, and all that. Of course there is a learning curve, there is always a learning curve. Even if you have a 10 years or 20 years of experience in art, there is still and always gonna be a learning curve. There will always be times when you're gonna learn from it, when you're gonna improve, when you learn from your mistakes and all that. But I see that the thing that's been working for me is working on that piece of artwork without actually judging myself, without actually comparing my art journey, my art skills with any other artist online or anyone out there, and actually allowing my creativity to flow through my brush, through my pencil, onto the paper, onto the canvas, or whatever medium I'm using. If I'm making the digital art, then it's obviously an iPad or laptop or phone, whatever it is. So that is the number one key. Although they many people shared so many tips and tricks in getting started with the artwork and all that, yeah, it works. If you're actually working on a new medium, it really works to get started with those creativity, because watercolor is not that easy medium when you are really starting with that, because you don't know how to mix the colors, how to actually balance the water and the color, because you need to find a balance, and then working on various different types of techniques. Like I used to love working on the wet on wet technique, because create if you are making textures, watercolor textures, then wet on wet technique is really a miracle. And I really enjoy doing it because you see that the colors are flowing so well onto that piece of paper. But there need to be a balance. Like if you are putting so much water onto the paper, you find that the paper is water is running here and there. And yeah, so there are the tips and tricks to work on any piece of artwork. But then the more thing I focus is actually about practicing and allowing your creativity to flow from your heart onto the piece of paper, onto the piece of canvas, or whatever medium you are using. That is the secret that I'm seeing right now. And I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning, although I have like 2+ years of experience, but I'm still learning. I want to learn, I want to learn new skills, how to paint, how to draw, and all that. So this is a little fluffy parrot watercolor painting that I did recently, because after picking up the acrylic I found that Watercolor and acrylic do have a huge difference, but I still love watercolor even though it is tough. I hope you enjoyed today's video.